Good morning, students. This supplementary reader, okay, supplementary reader for class 11th with the photographer by Stephen Leacock. Okay, so this story is a kind of a humoristic story. Humoristic means what? That brings you a little bit of laughter. Laughter means what? Once you hear the story, you might think and you might have a laugh. That is what humoristic story. Okay, about the poet, about the author, he is a Canadian teacher. He is a Canadian teacher and he has written a lot of humoristic plays. Humor means what? Which brings laughter. Okay, now coming to the story of with the photographer, the Stephen Leacock, the author, is going to take a photograph. Okay, so he is going to take a photograph. So he is meeting a photographer. He is going to a studio and he is meeting a photographer. That photographer is he is a drooping man. Drooping man means what? Somewhat bending, always bending. Okay, so he is a drooping man and he looks like a scientist. And what Leacock is telling, you can imagine. So everybody knows how a photographer would be. Okay, he is wearing a grey suit and dim eye, and so he is suggesting that so he is just like another photographer, like every photographers would be. Now Stephen Leacock has gone to that photographer to take a photo. Okay, and what happens is that Stephen Leacock is asked to wait in the studio. Okay, so it has been 1 hour and we can see Stephen Leacock is reading all the magazines there. Okay, there are many magazines and he has completed reading nearly all the magazines. And after 1 hour, the photographer is beckoning. Okay, the photographer is calling Stephen Leacock, and Stephen Leacock is going inside and he is sitting on the chair, and we can see that this happens many years. Okay, around in 19 something like that. Okay, during his time in 1986 or that time and all, the taking photos nowadays and all, we take photos just like that. Everybody is having a camera, mobile. Okay, but before and all, there was a big mission. Okay, a big mission where the photographer has to go inside. He has to close himself where you cannot see the photographer's face. Okay, he'll be inside one mission and he'll be visible. He'll be seeing through the mission. Okay, so likewise. So first you can see the photographer. He is going inside, covering his body. He is going inside the mission, and within a second he comes outside and he finds that there is no light. So he is clearing off, taking away the window panes, and then he is getting some light. Okay, and this time he is going inside. Okay, the second time he is going inside the mission. He is going inside the mission, and Leacock is sitting on the chair. And Leacock is thinking that the photographer is taking a lot of time. He might be praying inside. Okay, so you can see that Leacock is making a commentary, a humoristic note that he might be praying inside that the photograph should come properly. Okay, but actually that is not the thing. He might be seeing Stephen Leacock's face and he might be thinking what are all the problems like that. He is coming outside and giving a statement. He is giving a statement to Stephen Leacock. He is telling that your face is quite wrong. Your face is not nice. Okay, quite wrong. It is something like it would have been better. Your face would have been better if it had been 3/4 full. 3/4 full means where Stephen Leacock is having only 1/4 of the face proper. Okay, mean 3/4 full means where you have a round face like that, a complete round face like that. That is what the photographer has been expecting. Okay, but Stephen Leacock, what is he telling? It will be better. Yes, it will be better if it is 3/4 full like that. He is telling. So, and he is also telling that the photographer, he might have seen many faces, limited. Okay, like that. So many things, but he thought that the photographer is having a good human side, human quality. okay, a humanness, like that. Then after that, the photographer is not listening to what all Stephen Leacock is telling, and what is he doing? He is twisting his face. He is coming to Stephen Leacock and he is twisting his face and is telling, I don't like the head. The photographer is telling that he doesn't like the head of Stephen Leacock. Okay, so Stephen Leacock, what is he telling? Then he went back to the mission. He is going once again into the mission, and he is asking Stephen Leacock to open his mouth, close it. Then he looked again and he is telling, your ears are bad. First he said his face was quite wrong. Second he said your head itself is not nice. The third he is telling your ears are bad. The ears are bad. Droop them a little more. Droop them a little more means even I too quite don't understand. How can you bend a ear? Maybe you should bend your head. Okay, droop them a little more, like that he is telling. He is asking to bend the ear. Okay, I don't think so. It is quite correct here, but he might be expecting Stephen Leacock to bend his head. Okay, so then thank you. Now the eyes, roll your eyes. He is telling, roll your eyes. Put the hands on your knees. These are the suggestions that we listen from a photographer. Okay, bend your knees, lift your head, keep your hands on the knees. So that is what all the suggestions that a photographer gives to a person when he comes to take photo. Okay, now just expand your lungs, contract your waist. Okay, contract means what? Make your waist hip very contract means make it, shrink it, make it small, like that. Okay, then after that he is telling, I don't quite like the face. Okay, he is saying your face is not good, like that. And so here we can say a little bit stop. Here you can see Stephen Leacock is getting a slight getting angry. Stop. He is telling this face is my face. This face is my face. Of course, it is not nice only, but I have lived with this face nearly for 40 years and I have started to like it, though it is not the face you have expected. It is my face and I am living with this face for 40 years. Okay, and I started quite liking this face. Okay, so indirectly he is telling not to comment on the face, like that. Okay, like that we can see Stephen Leacock telling, and this is my mouth, not yours, like that. These ears are mine, it is not yours, like that he is saying. And when he is getting up, then he is trying to get up from the seat. Okay, at that time snick, the photo is taken. Okay, the photo was taken by the photographer when Leacock was a little bit angry and getting up from the chair, slightly getting up from the chair because of his emotions. Okay, and the photographer is taken, and the photographer is telling that the photo is taken. Okay, the photo is taken. Then okay, then he is asking the photo. Okay, he is asking the photo. Then the photographer is telling, I have to develop the negative. So negative you might have not known. Some might have known about those negatives. Negatives means on those days you will get only the negative. You won't get the photo directly. Okay, there will be some negative where you can see only the outline of your face. In there will be a negative. You won't see definitely your face properly. That will be washed. That will be washed, and after that only it develops into a photo. So what the photographer is telling, that you will get only the negative should be washed and you come on Saturday. So now Leacock is coming to the studio. Leacock is coming to the studio on Saturday. Okay, and the photographer is taking out the screen, and Stephen Leacock is showed his photo. Okay, the photographer is showing Stephen Leacock's photo. Both of them are staring at the photo. Okay, and Stephen Leacock is looking at this photo, and he himself is surprised, and he is wondering whether this face is really his face. Okay, so I hope you might have imagined, okay, what would have run at that time. So you can understand that the face is not exactly the figure of Stephen Leacock. So what he is saying, what happened? He is asking, okay, He's telling that I have taken away the brows. I have taken away the brows and I have put a new brows. He's telling, and also I have cleared the I have also cleared the hair which is falling on your forehead. Okay, I have also cleared the hair which is on the forehead because it might disturb the eyebrow. So I have cleared that, and I also put new eyebrows for you. New eyebrows for you. Is it nice? Like that, the photographer is giving a suggestion. Then likewise, he is telling. Then the eyes also. Eyes also. It is not looking like me. The Stephen Leacock is telling. Stephen, the eyebrows is not looking like myself. Eyes is also is not looking myself. Like that, Stephen Leacock is telling, yes, like that is saying, oh, I have retouched them. He's saying, I have retouched them. I have given something that I have retouched them. Like that is telling, fine, okay. Then my eyebrows are not like that. No, said the photographer. Then the eyebrows are removed. Everything is telling. We are having that. He is telling that we are having that delphite chemical substance. Might be we are having that delphite chemical substance to remove the eyebrows from the photo. Okay, remove the eyebrows using a chemical substance called delphite. Then afterwards he is looking. What about the mouth? Like that, is that mine? So for eyes he has done something. He has taken away the brows. Now he is coming to the mouth. Now he is coming to the mouth. Okay, the mouth also some adjustment has been made. The ears, yes, the ears alone he has not done anything. Okay, the ears alone is exactly the ears of Stephen Leacock. Okay, he said, so except the ear, he has done some changes. He has done some touch up. He has done some changes in all over the face of Stephen Leacock. Okay. Yes, the photographer said, we have, if the ears is not good, we have also, he's telling, we have also another chemical substance, the sulfide, to do some renovation, to do some changes, okay, for the ear. Now here you can see Stephen Leacock is very, very angry. He's telling, listen, I want a photo for myself. Okay, I want a photo of exactly which will show me, so that I could show my friends after my death. They will keep the photo for my for their remembrance, for their memory of their friend. I want a photo for myself. Okay, like that. And what I wanted is no longer done. He's telling, you have not. I think he is telling that you have spoiled everything. So he's telling, you keep the negative for yourself. Okay, use some sulfide, use some peroxide, use some bromide or something. A cow hide. He's telling, out of anger. He's telling even cow hide. Okay, something like that. Remove the necktie. Restore the lips, close the mouth, like that. You do all sorts of changes and keep the negative for yourself. For me, for the what Stephen Leacock is telling, for me the photo is nothing. It is worthless. Okay, it is worthless babble. He is saying it's worthless, but it is of no value, and he is leaving the studio. So it's a humoristic play. No, when we go to the when we go to the studio, we want the face of ourselves. What the photographer is doing, he is using some sulfide, using some delphide, removing the eyebrow, removing the mouth, adjusting the mouth, okay, taking the hair, everything. He is doing all sorts of adjustment, which doesn't look like Stephen Leacock. So here Stephen Leacock is getting angry and telling he is keeping the negative for yourself. You do some changes and keep the negative for yourself, and he is getting angry and he is coming out of the studio. So to know it better, you better go through the lesson, read it line by line, so that you will get a clear picture of the story. Thank you. We will see in the next class.